and welcome to this week's new release video. It is currently way past my bedtime. Yeah, it's 11:30, so if this video is a little bit rambly or all over the place, that is what is going on. But yeah, so I have got 2 new collections, technically 3 new collections. Also, there's some other stuff happening in the shop. We are going to be offering collections from now on without foil at a lower price point. I should probably go ahead and talk about that now before I forget. So all of our stickers, as far as kits go, are now premium matte, not glossy. And I did some polls and I asked if everyone would be interested in a lower priced version of the kits that did not have foil. And everybody said, well, not everybody, but a lot of people said yes. So I went ahead and brought that option to the shop. Just a quick little, let me do it this way. A quick little, whoop, there we go. These are also already all up on the shop. So the micro kits are regularly $6 for the release, and then they go up to $8.50. So for right now, they are at $5 without foil, and then for deluxe kits, they are $18 without foil versus $24.50, and for mini, they are $15 without foil versus $19.50, and you guys can see you'll just have the option to pick foil or no foil. One of the kits that I have here does not have a foil option at all. I think that's it. I might be forgetting something. If you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments down below. And now my lighting is all messed up. There we go. Anyway, so I did new releases a little bit different. If you guys hate this, let me know and I'll go back to doing it the way I did. But I feel like it makes videos incredibly long when I have one of each kit for each collection, and I don't know that it's incredibly necessary. And now we have non-foil options and everything. So I did not print one of every single thing. I have just kind of some different stuff here, enough that you can see like how all the foiling is done and everything. But it's just, it seems like it's a lot. But if you guys want to see every single thing, let me know in the comments and I can go back to doing that. This just makes it a little bit easier on me and also makes the video not quite so long. So the first collection I've got here is called Gold. I sneaked this the other day and I am just so in love. I've actually had this design for a while now and just have kept pushing back the release. Here is your bottom washi. So this is light gold foiling, so it is more of a, I don't know, champagne tone almost. I'm obsessed. I just love the contrast of this so much. So you guys can see you've got some foiling through here. And if you order this particular kit in non-foil, I kept the descriptions updated. For the most part, if you order a kit without foil, things like the date covers will be switched over to white instead of being black. Let's see if I have a comparison. Yeah, so like how these are white right here. Most kits don't look good with the black foil, like the black toner minus the foil. Most do look okay with the white. So what I'm gonna do is switch them over. If it is a kit like this though, where it looks really nice still with just the black lines, we're gonna keep them that way. So this particular one will have black. Also, it's going to be listed in the description box whether or not what is on the full boxes will stay as far as the lines go. For this particular kit, they will still be there, meaning all of this will just be black lines anywhere that you see the foiling. This kit I did not do a non-foiled printout of. If you guys want to see one, let me know either on Instagram or in the Facebook group and I can send that over to you. But yeah, so it's going to depend on kit as far as if I do or don't have that. And it'll be in the description box of the kits. So for this one, it says all of the lines that you see will still be there and they will all still be black. On the other kit, it says all of the lines on the full boxes will not be there. They will be there for bottom washi, date covers, but they will be white. So you guys can just check the description if you're interested in non-foil. But anyway, so this kit though. Oh, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. So there is your full box sheet. This is your 6th page in the deluxe version of the kit. So you have your weekly tracker, your boxes, your washi, and then your date covers. And then for deluxe, this is your second sheet. You have your date numbers, your icons, your scripts, and your checklist. Next sheet is the same in the kits. So you've got your appointment labels, your quarter boxes, half boxes, and eighth boxes. Next sheet is also the same in the kits. You've got your glitter headers, you've got your cut washi, and then you have got your little things. And then your 5th page for deluxe has got your ombre heart checklist, your flags, your daily trackers, and then your 3 and 2 heart checklist. So I have this kit printed in deluxe and mini. I did not do B6 this week. If you guys want to see these kits in B6, let me know, and maybe we can figure something out as far as it's just a lot. I'm trying to kind of condense again, because doing 3 kits plus micro kits, I had forgotten exactly how much that is to not only design, but to also print and foil and cut and all of that. I was thinking that maybe like once a month for like a $2 Tuesday, wouldn't technically be $2, but we could do like the B6 format for the kits that had released prior weeks. If you guys like that idea, let me know, and it will be discounted. I might do them not foiled. Or maybe, I guess I could do both options, and we'll do like a little discount, and that will be that like deal for that week. If you guys are interested in that, let me know. That to me actually sounds much more manageable. Plus that way they're not in the shop all the time. I'm not having to keep stocking or keep restocking them. Anyway, moving on. So for mini, you have the exact same full boxes. Full boxes are also available a la carte. Your second sheet, you've got your heart checklist, your scripts, your icons. Next sheet is the same. You have got the appointment labels, quarter boxes, half boxes, and eighth boxes. Next sheet is also the same from the deluxe. You've got your little things, your washi, and your glitter headers. And then your last sheet is almost identical to deluxe. You are just missing 2 boxes up here, and in their place you are getting 2 daily trackers. So that was gold, deluxe, and mini. Here is gold micro. So I did 2 micros for this. The first one here has got that larger floral as well as the little floral here. I will say this is not printed correctly, how that's that far left. It will be centered like it is here. I need to adjust that file. Anyway, and then you have got bow headers, bow boxes, some more foiled boxes here, foiled date covers, 3 heart checklist, 2 heart checklist, and then this sheet will be the same for both. You've got heart checklist, weekly tracker, little things, daily trackers, washi, and then boxes. So again, and this will be in the description, for this kit, you will have the option to pick it up non-foiled if that's what you would like. I will go ahead and say that this box right here against this dark background, you really can't see any lines, but, and then it'll be, and this will be for all micro kits without foil. All of these will be gone, these lines, and then these lines here will also be gone. The only thing remaining would be your bow headers as well as your date covers. So again, for this kit, those will be black. For Pretty in Pink, they will be white. And for most kits, they will probably be either white or they will match the kit, depending. It just, I'm gonna play around with it a little bit, so. But it'll be just whichever one goes better with the colors of the kit. So that is gold 1. This is gold 2. So for this one, you've got that leaf as well as this foiling through here with this really pretty box right there. And your second sheet is exactly the same as the one that I just showed. Also, there will be bow headers available for gold. I did not print those. Here they are for Pretty in Pink. And now it's about to be that I don't have everything for this. So here are your bow headers. There is the option for matte removable or premium matte for these. And then, okay, this is what happened. Let me just tell you guys what happened. I designed one kit with this artwork. Well, one full box sheet, which was this. And I like it a lot, but when I looked at it, I just thought there doesn't need to be foil on this. And also the way that this artwork was, I had like 2 visions in my head of how I wanted to do this. And this was one way, and then I wanted to also do it the other way and then see which one I liked better. And now I can't choose. So now we just have both. Let me get the foiled version. There we go. So these are the 2 different options. Also, if I would have thought about it, I would have not named them both Pretty in Pink. But at this point, they have already been printed, so I can't change it now. They are totally separate listings, and this one does have the option for both foil or no foil. This one is just no foil. So I'm gonna start with this one right here, and I believe I only have deluxe here. Yeah, so I only have deluxe here. The differences between the two kits will be the full boxes and the bottom washi sheets. Those are both different. As far as everything else in the kit, they're the same colors and everything. What else? Like I said, I do not have mini here for this, but because there really isn't much of a difference, I don't think that it's necessary. But anyway, let's move on. So this is what I did for these full boxes. I love it. I love the colors. I love all of the pink. It's a lot, but I really like it. And this is just, I don't know. I love how this looks, but I also really like how the other is a little bit more like simplistic and a little bit more focused on like one piece of clip art per box. So yeah, I went ahead and did both. And since one isn't foiled, it's just not such a big deal to go ahead and add it in. So there's your full box sheet for Pretty in Pink. For your second sheet in Deluxe, you've got those bow checklist, scripts, icons, and date numbers. Also, I added in this green. Honestly, this is very similar to the palette for April Mystery, and I wanted to pull it and see how it looked, and I really liked how the green looked with all of this. So that it's kind of randomly in there, but it's there. Also, this pink is very, very, very light. So here is your sheet of words, appointment labels, quarter boxes, half boxes. Next, little things, glitter headers and washi, and then your ombre heart checklist, your flags, and your daily trackers. And then this is your bottom washi sheet for the non-foiled version. I did just like this candy that was just, it's so cute. For foiled, I didn't quite like having it so large, so you'll see that's a little bit different. And you can see here what I'm talking about as far as the places where there would be foil here, just done with the white script. But I also do have the foiled version in both foiled and non-foiled, so I can show you a little bit better there. So let's move on. The next thing that I have got is the foiled version, deluxe, of this one, which on the website, they're both called Pretty in Pink. You guys will obviously see the boxes, and the one has the option for foil, but I didn't think about that. So this is the more like simplistic, a little bit more like what I normally do, and then I added in some very simple foiling. So you guys can see up top, this is that really like dainty bow and confetti foil that I used in like Cozy. I believe there's been a couple of other places that I've put that in, and I just love that. There's a bow right here, and then you've got some more of that bow foiling. So it is very simple, but I just loved it. I loved both, so we went ahead and did it. And then as far as your bottom washi goes, you do still have that candy up top, but I made it so that it wasn't like taking over the entire box. And then you still have that very like dainty confetti bow foil coming down. I don't know if I mentioned, this kit is gold foil. This is just the regular dark gold foil. So yeah, there is your bottom washi sheet. I'm sorry, losing my voice. And then let me show you guys the non-foiled version of that. So this one is mini. I believe I printed mini, and yeah. So here are the boxes without foil. I think they still work really well without foil. I do like the more minimal, just a little bit of shine. Like I like that a lot, but I know not everybody does. So we've got that, and then I'm not gonna flip through the rest of the pages here because those are the same as the mini format that I just showed, but here is what that would look like without the foil. So I didn't do any of the lines on here as far as like the falling bows. To me that did not look good with it being just like white, so I just left it. So yeah, but again, everything's in the description of the boxes. So for Pretty in Pink Micro, I did 2 as well, and I did both of these without foil just for this. Oh my goodness, I can't pick them up. There we go. So just so that you guys can see, this is what it would look like without foil. So I took away all of these and these, and the only thing that still has some lines is the date covers and then the bow headers. This is done in white, but for example, with the gold marble, they would be black script instead. And yeah, so the options for these, and these would have the foil, is the washi with the books, or the planner with the coffee, as well as this coffee right here. So yeah, and then here is your second sheet. And I think that is it. If you guys have any questions or any feedback as far as the way that these are done or just anything else, let me know in the comments down below. These are up on the website right now. I hope you guys like them, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye guys.